Hey guys, this is Ronnie. You know, I'm always talking about racks. I like racks. So, you know, we always want to keep our racks cool with all that equipment in there so we can protect our equipment to last for years because, you know, all this equipment is not cheap. So what we have here is a cab cool kit. And this is a fully loaded design that we have got here. And I'll go ahead and open it and we'll show you that we have 4 of the bigger fans here and then 4 of the smaller fans there. So it'll blow out the air here and then suck it from everywhere in the rack to go out. So you can rack mount this with some little rack ears on it and put it inside your rack. Or there's the other option that has little rubber feet, if you look here, that you can actually set it right on top of your unit to, you know, pull the heat directly out of it and push it away. With that being said, this particular one is pretty cool. They always give you your rack ears, extra bushings and stuff to space it up a little higher. And they come with all kinds of different, you know, grills and fashionings that they can do with it. So all kinds of different designs. So for all your rack options, there's a whole bunch of different options that you can do. And they always send a Jolly Rancher. So that being said, I'm gonna have a Jolly Rancher. You guys have a great choice day.